Hello YouTube, back with another video, and today I'm doing a follow-up on the Friedrich window AC that I put in my brother's room since his old LG went out a few years ago and he's just been living without an air conditioner. So I put this in for him a year ago. 7800 BTU, 720 watts. It's a 10.8 year, which is pretty good. R22, obviously the great refrigerant of the day. And this thing is seeing a year of use, and I don't think he's cleaned the filter. Oh no, it is disgusting in there. It's just caked on. I haven't been over here in a while, so I'm gonna clean this up for him, make it all nice. Make sure that's closed. But I'm gonna take it out anyway. Clean the grill off. Oh, look at all the mold. Look at all the mold that's in here. How does he just let it get this bad? Right here, oh my god. That's bad. It's just dust falling off everywhere. Anyway, I'll let you all hear the power up of this unit. Nice and quiet startup. The compressor's already running, it's already getting cold. That auto swing in there still works. A little vent for the pool tap broke off, it looks like. That's ice cold. So that's about how he had it. Show you on the outside after a year being in the window. Nice quiet compressor. Starting to get a little bit of rust under there. And it's got the wraparound coil like I always liked. I'm just letting them use this AC. I will get it back eventually. I'll get them a different one to use. Because I absolutely love this kind of air conditioner. And I think Friedrich was one of the gooder brands back in the day. Or better brands back in the day. Besides Amana, Sears, and Carrier, which I've got a Carrier, which is a really good quality AC unit as well. Got some rust spots. Other than that, it's nice and clean in there, really. It's not rusting out because it's got a factory drain hole, of course. So yeah. It's a mess in here. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all today.